Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my stocking stuffer gift guide. I'm going to be filming two gift guides today. I was gonna do just one big one. I don't know if I've ever like broken them up before, but I felt like I could this year, and so I'm going to. Just, you know, to make it a little bit easier to, you know, get what you want, see what you want. But they will be going up pretty much like back to back in case you need gift ideas. I also have a baby toddler gift guide coming, which I actually like to toot my own horn, I think is really good. So yeah, I also have a Christmas pooch who is just chilling here. Usually when I film, he's all up in my face. He thinks I'm talking to him, but he's chill today, so enjoy him in his sweater. Also, how cute is my dress? I actually bought this last year from Kohl's. It's LC by Lauren Conrad from Kohl's. I was gonna wear it last year for Christmas. I didn't end up wearing it just because, I don't know even. I was cold, I guess. But we're hosting Christmas this year, so I don't have to leave the house, so I can just crank up the heat and wear this cute dress. And I'm very excited about it. Oh my gosh, also from Lauren Conrad at Kohl's, I have on my present bow earrings. I don't think you can see it. I'll give you a close-up. They're so cute, I love them, so festive. Okay, anyway, so today we're here to talk about stocking stuffers. Also, how cute is my stocking? This is from Target, which I think they re-release the same stockings every year. All four of our stockings are from Target, and I love them. So if I can link this, I will down below. But we're here to talk about stocking stuffers. The stocking is my personal favorite part of Christmas. My mom can make a damn good stocking. The woman has a gift. And even so, I'm now like 33 and she asked me like, what do you want for Christmas? I'm like, you could just make me a stocking. Also, I feel like I'm talking a little quieter, which is probably better for everybody, but my son is asleep and it's poor timing wise, but hopefully it's not like too whispery. I also need to adjust as usual. But yeah, I have kind of a little bit of everything. In the past, my gift guides have been kind of like beauty based, but I do have some beauty skincare type stuff, but I have stuff all over the board. So let's go ahead and get into it. First up is some fun Laneige products. So I've talked about these a lot recently. I mentioned this in my November favorites, which I can link up in the corner, but this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, which I love all the time. I always have one in my bedside table. I do not travel without it because I miss it. My lips love it. It's one of those products where you put it on before you go to bed and you wake up and your lips are still like, it has a little bit on it and they're just super moisturized. It is probably my favorite like bedtime lip treatment slash mask. It says lip mask, but I wear it all the time. I'm wearing it right now. But this is the limited edition peppermint scent, and it is the most just like delicious hint of peppermint. I also love the way it looks on my lips. It's like a little bit glossy, a little bit frosty. And I just think it's fun to gift peppermint stuff this time of year. It's not necessarily Christmassy, it's wintry, so they can enjoy it, but also I will enjoy peppermint all year round. I love the beautiful packaging, and it's a nice size for a stocking. That was my goal. My goal for the stocking video were things that are a little bit more affordable in case you want to like pair some things together and put it in a stocking, or obviously things that are smaller and can fit in the stocking, while in my other gift guide I might have some smaller things that could fit in the stocking. I wanted to keep things a little bit more affordable. Everything I'm mentioning is $30 and under. So this fits the bill perfect. And then I also just wanted to mention, this is almost empty and I'm devastated. I actually might put on my Christmas list for another one, but it's the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, specifically for me in the shade Peach. What's fun about these is they have a little bit of a tint to them, so it's not just a balm, it has a little bit of color, and I love the orangey gold tint that this gives, and it's just also a great lip product. So also, speaking of a pepperminty product, I tried it last year and I loved it, and I think I'm gonna buy it again. It was the Tula Exfoliating Sugar Scrub in the peppermint scent. I think it was like chocolate peppermint. It was absolutely divine. I definitely want to buy it again. I don't think my Ulta has it in stock. I think I need to order it online, but it's in this cute little red bottle. It has candy canes on it. It is just adorable and would also make a great gift. It can seem boring, but skincare is a great gift. A makeup bit, and not necessarily this color, but you guys know I haven't stopped talking about this all year long. It's the Benefit, not all year long, I got it in like summer. It's the Benefit Butterfly Boxed Blush. I love this one. For me, it's just like this really fun orange shade. I've been wearing it pretty much nonstop ever since I got it. But they came out with like, I think 16 new shades of their boxed blushes, which they're a cult classic. A lot of people love the boxed blushes. I always have, but they came out with so many different new colors, something for everybody, no matter what kind of skin tone, for the person you're shopping for, if you're putting it on your own list. They also made them a little bit thinner, which I think is really nice. But it's a great blush. It has fun packaging, and like I said, there's a shade for everybody. Benefit is a loved company. I think a lot of people would love to give it as a gift, or to get it as a gift. They also smell good. And then I wanted to include some fun nail polish. Now, I haven't tried any of the holiday collection yet. It's a I forget, I never know the exact names anymore. It's something about a gemstone. So all of the polishes are like either glittery or a little bit like shimmery, but they came out with so many fun glitters. So I just wanted to share a few that I think would be so fun to put in a stocking. So they have, for so many years I've wanted an OPI glittery red, and you can bet your ass I'll be putting this on my nails the week of Christmas. This is called Rhinestone Ready Red. Why? It's just a beautiful red glitter. It does have some like silver in there. It is stunning. Oh, and some pink. Literally cannot wait to put that on my nails. Also another fun, kind of like darker pink color. This is called I Pink It's Snowing. This reminds me of some of the chunkier glitters from the Muppets collection, which came out like, I can't even talk about it, so many years ago, but I still have the polishes, which if you guys want to see those, I did a whole nail polish like declutter reorganization this year. I'll link it up in the corner, but I talked about my Muppets polishes and how it's the best glitter formula they've ever released, and they're still good to this day. Like, you know how glitters can get like dried up and chunky? Not with those, they are perfect to this day. And so this kind of looks like it reminds me of it. I'll let you know about the formula, but it's got pink, lighter pink, silver, like it's just so much fun. I cannot wait to try it. This one, if you want something a little more like light and frosty, this is called the Pearl of Your Dreams. It's a fun, very glittery light blue. And then I love a gold glitter at the holidays. This one is called Pop the Baubles, and it's just really chunky. It's got like dark silver, light silver, and gold glitter in there. It is so pretty. So nail polish is always a good idea for a stocking, especially if you're gifting to a nail polish lover, and you can't go wrong with OPI. I always like to include a couple bath bomb recommendations from the new releases this year. I just think that the Lush holiday stuff is such a fun gift, especially if you're giving maybe to somebody a little bit younger, or even not. I'm 33 and my sister and mom give me Lush all the time, and I'm always delighted because I love it, I use it, and again, it's something that a lot of people might not spend the money on themselves, but it's super fun to have. You know, the next time they take a bath, they're like, hey, I have that bath bomb. Or it might inspire them to take a night and take a bath and have some self-care. So I always think it's a fun gift idea. And the whole collection is cute, and you might want to pick based on the scent, depending on who you're giving it to, what they enjoy. But my two recommendations of the year that I think are so cute, first of all, are the Finger Puppet Snowman. It has a little hole in the bottom so you can give yourself a little finger puppet show in the bath, or if you have a kid, like literally how cute. But he smells really lightly of almond. It's just like a really nice neutral scent, and it's just so cute. And it's just fun to open up something wintry in your present or your stocking. I also did a whole Christmas Lush haul. I can link that up in the corner as well. But this was one of my, I should say I haven't tried it yet. I've been saving it for this video. But just by looks and cuteness, this is one of my faves. And then this one I just think is a nice universal scent, and it's beautiful. This is the Partridge in a Pear Tree Bath Bomb. Both of these are new this year, which is, you know, fun. This to me, even though it's a pear scented thing, it smells exactly like an apple, and I just feel like that's a nice neutral scent. Like, you hear people all the time say like, oh, I don't like the smell of rose or lavender, but like, you don't hear people say like, I hate the smell of apples, you know? But it's also just beautiful. It really does have a partridge in a pear tree on the front. It has this beautiful like gold shimmer dust on it, and it smells so good. But also the Shoot for the Stars Bath Bomb and the Butter Bear are my two favorite reoccurring things this year, and they always make a good gift. A lot of people like to put candy or chocolate in their stockings, and oh, hi, Booch. He's so tired, he's relaxing. My baby angel, Boochie. Good boy. I forgot he was there. A lot of people like to put chocolate or candy in their stockings, and if you are one of those people, let me help you out with some more kind of, I was gonna say upscale chocolate, but I'm not even sure that it's like that much more upscale, but it is nicer than your like grocery store chocolate. They're both available at World Market, and they're both available online. So the first one, and I know I've mentioned both of these before in past gift guides, but it's truly the best Christmas chocolate. I look forward to it every single year. The first one is from the brand called Leica, L-A-I-C-A. It's just a holiday assortment of chocolate. You get 3 different shapes in there. You get like cute characters, you get little round balls that have Santa on them, and then you get stars. The round balls are my favorite, but you get less of them in it. And actually Bradley ate the last one the other day, and I almost killed him. But those are the best because they have crunchy bits in the middle, so good. I also do love the little characters because they have, I don't know if it's like white chocolate, it has some sort of like creamy filling, but it's not like overly creamy when you bite into it that it's gross. It is so good. And then the stars have some sort of nougat in the middle, but you guys, it's just like higher quality chocolate. It's so, so good. I always buy it and I use it to fill up. I have like a reusable advent calendar that I just fill up and eat myself. But one day when Milo's old enough, he can have the chocolates in them. But I also just put the rest, I actually put the rest in my little penguin jar that I got from Johanna Parker. If you missed my holiday home decor haul, I'll link that up in the corner. But I put the rest of my chocolate in there and I am just absolutely delighted with it. And then the other one is the Tony Chocolatoloni. I'll put a picture up. Chocolonely. Tony's Chocolonely. But it's specifically the sea salt and milk chocolate bar. You guys, when I have one of those, it doesn't last long. Like, it is so incredibly good. And I discovered it last year for the holidays. They had little coins of it. I think I found it at Whole Foods, but then now I know that I frequent World Market a lot because I love it in there. And so if I'm ever in there looking at things, I usually pick up a bar of that chocolate. It is so good. Bradley loves it. I turned my sister onto it. Like, it is premium delish chocolate. Also, speaking of World Market, I wanted to mention that a mug would be a good idea, like the base bottom of a stocking. A Christmas mug would be fun, but it's also kind of like you can't use the Christmas mug anymore because you're getting it on Christmas Day. I guess you could save it for next year, but it was my brother's birthday last week and I didn't know what to get him, so I asked my sister-in-law, like, is there anything he wants or needs? And she said he needs a new Christmas mug for this year. So I was like, ah, he loves World Market. I'll go there. They had these really cute kind of like sweater print mugs. One was red with like white detail. That's the one I ended up getting him. But then they also had it with, it was white with black detail. So just wintry, he can use that through the winter if he wants to. It was a nice big like wide mug, really well made and affordable. I think it was like $8, but it was super cute. And I thought that would be a good gift regardless of gender. And you could just put it there in the base of the stocking and then put more stuff inside of it. You could put the base there and then some chocolate in it and then stack more stuff on top. I'm just full of incredible ideas. Groundbreaking, never before heard ideas. Oh, and speaking of chocolate, this would be great for filling out the neck of the stocking. Look at that. But you guys know I love my Trader Joe's Cocoa Batons. I called them my special cookies. I don't even know why I call them that. That makes them sound like they're laced with like marijuana or something when I call them that in public. Like, those are mommy's special cookies. But no, they're just these. I love them so much. Something else that I think would fill out the neck of a stocking nicely and something I'm currently really into are just like fun candlesticks, and they're just everywhere right now. If you look on Urban Outfitters, World Market, Anthropology, there's a lot of just like fun, colorful tapered candles that you can stick in a candle holder. A lot of people already have them, or you could gift them like a little candle holder and a pack of candlesticks. Something like that at World Market would be very affordable. My favorite ones from World Market are these ribbed ones. I just used up my last one in the bathroom. I'm going to buy more, but they burn so nicely. They last a while and they just like the way it drapes down as it burns looks so pretty. There's a lot of cute squiggle ones on Urban Outfitters. I actually had a pack in my cart for Black Friday and I never pulled the trigger, so I might put them on my Christmas list. I'll link a couple down below that I love, but there's just a lot of cute candlesticks out right now and I think that would be a really fun and different stocking stuffer. I also wanted to mention, I can't link these because they just sold out, but go to an Anthropology, especially if you're like gifting stockings to multiple girls. If you and your girlfriends do like a stocking exchange, or even if you're not doing like a stocking, you just want something a little bit cheaper you can put together. They have these great hair clip sets where you usually get 6 for like definitely under 30, maybe like 22, 24, and then you can separate them. So this was a really fun, just like animal print one. I'll put up some pictures and link some down below of some current ones they have. They have some really pretty ones that kind of mix the texture of velvet and like little jewels. I've been eyeing them. They're very pretty. But I just think that's a good idea. You can get that, break them up, or you can put the entire thing in there because I love that. I love to mix and match the different hair clips that come in a pack, but you could also just separate them and give 2 to each person, but also just a cute stocking stuffer idea. I love getting hair accessories, so that would be fun in a stocking, I think. And then lastly, I wanted to mention, it's kind of random and I can't link it, but last year we were doing holiday shopping in our mall and they had like one of those carts where they just have rows and rows and rows of different ornaments and you can get them customized. And so we got a couple for us, which I'm going to cherish that for the rest of our lives. Like, last year was our first year with our son in our new house, so we actually got 2. And they have them like all sorts of characters, so like no matter what your family looks like, you can find your family. We got one with a dog, a baby, and you know, mom and dad, and we have our names on it in the year. And we also got one, it was just like of a house to represent that we bought our house last year. But we also got them for all the grandparents. So there was actually this really cute one. It was like 2 little peas in a stocking, and I got that one for my parents because my parents got 2 new grandbabies last year. My niece was also born last year, their first 2 grandbabies, and so it just had their little names on it. And so yeah, you can customize it any which way, and just look out for that in your mall because it's a great gift. I love having it. They loved receiving it. I loved giving it. I was so excited to give it to them. Keep your eyes peeled for that. Custom ornaments. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will have all of this linked down below. If you're looking for more gift guide ideas, I will, like I said, have my just like normal gift guide. I don't know what to call it. My not stocking stuffer gift guide. My gift guide for her, if you will. But not even. Some of the things are gender neutral. I have my pile behind the camera. I'm looking at it. But that will be up next. Also, my baby toddler gift guide will be up soon. But I also did an Amazon favorites lately. I'll link that up in the corner. You might find some gift ideas there. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more holiday Christmassy content. I'll have my face somewhere you can subscribe, as well as some videos that you may have missed or you may enjoy. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Ludi loves you too. Can you say bye-bye? Goodbye. This haircut he got makes him look like Sir Didymus from The Labyrinth, even though his name is Ludo from The Labyrinth, but it makes me giggle every day. I'm sorry, I'll leave you alone. But okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you very soon. Bye!